Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply an e-visa to Kuwait. Before I proceed further, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, e-visas are very popular nowadays and more and more countries are going towards it because they are very like convenient to apply and it brings a lot of tourism too, right? So in front of you, I have opened this State of Kuwait Ministry of Interior website. They have section for e-tourist visa or e-visa, you can say. Now, first of all, is the eligibility. Not all nationalities can use this service. Okay, so your nationality has to be listed here. There are certain exceptions, like if you go for read more, if you're a GCC resident, then you are still eligible even if you don't fall here, provided you meet these conditions. Okay, that depends on your occupation also. Fee is also given 3 Kuwaiti dinar. Passport must exceed 6 months when applying for e-visa. No security. You can read it, right? I don't have to go through each and every one. All right. Now, when you're ready to apply, click on apply. Okay. At the bottom, you have start link. Click on start. Do you have a current residence from a permit in a GCC country? So I select no. If you select yes, you will say it will ask you the which country and then nationality also. And here you see like all nationalities are appearing. Okay. But if you go for no, that means not all nationalities are uh, eligible. So I see some of them are eligible. Okay. Passport type, normal. Passport number, I'm just putting sample, guys. Okay. Of course, I won't be submitting the application. Have you visited or received before? No. Email. Okay. uh, to send you visa info and all. Okay, so I'm just putting some sample. You need to do right address. Okay. And of course, this text you have to enter. Okay. So disclaimer, you need to read, understand. You can read more and understand everything. Okay. Once you accept, you go to the next stage. Okay. Now it's asking, do you have previous nationality? I select no. Place of birth. Select the country where you were born. Okay. Do it as per your case. I'm just putting sample. Date format is given, so make sure you follow that. Next. It is asking system will also upload passport scanned image, specification of the uploaded images. Yes. If you select no, doesn't make any sense. But look, I mean, you should have it ready, right? If you select no, maybe they will ask you in the later time, but I'm selecting yes. Okay. Name in English, Arabic. It is optional, though it will speed up your application. Okay. So you can use Google Translator and fill this up. Okay. Why not? I'm just putting just sample. John Smith. I'll go to Google and I'll put English to Arabic. So I'll write John. I can just copy it. Okay. But yes, see what they have asked. First name, like don't confuse like here's first name, second name, sequence. No. They have given in English or as well. So be careful. Okay. So first name, family name mandatory. Next. Passport information. Do it as per your passport, right? Don't go by this. I'm putting sample, but check everything 2 times. I will never say one time, check everything 2 times. Don't do any mistake. We have this date here. That's why I was thinking why I can't see it here. Doesn't make any sense. Yeah. Gender, marital status, education. If you have been to Kuwait before, fill in this application will speed up your application. If you have never been, Kuwait on the last visit. I mean, if they have your data, provide that information that will help them. Expected address in Kuwait. I'm putting some sample. I'm not sure if I'll be able to go to next stage or not. Email to send you visa info, mobile number, local Kuwaiti mobile number. This is mandatory. Wow. I'll just put some sample. Not sure if they will accept or not. Okay, now credit card number. Okay, this is verification, and then next will be like you see we have reached the last stage, so they will ask you to upload documents, payment, and all. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but it's this is how it works, and if granted, you're all good to go. Of course, you have to understand the conditions, culture, and other things. So that's how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.